welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey.
We're here to show you a beautiful, I'm not sure what color, baby blue, I guess you might call it.
Right.
1966 Ford Mustang.
It's beautiful.
It's equipped with a 302 small block with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, and an automatic. It also has a front disc brake conversion, has beautiful paint, a beautiful top, beautiful chrome, beautiful interior, beautiful glass.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
The car is just very nice, very clean.
It is. It's been really well taken care of, as you can see. Even the chrome on the
And it's
inside.
got the 302 versus the 289, so that's kind of nice.
Yes, it's got a little bit more beefy when you start it up. It's got a nice little rumble. This top goes up and down pretty seamlessly, and it is an automatic top. Pretty impressive for a 66. But the seats are all brand new. Well, newer for sure, because they are in primo condition. Just a really, really nice car. Sitting pretty. All right, we're gonna take it for a spin. Stay tuned. In the 66 Mustang, gonna show you the top going up. It's pretty simple, automatics down here on the dash, this little lever here. Gonna pull up on that, and slowly but surely she comes on up. Super clean top too. It must have been restored. Oh shit, or redone. All right, and then we've got the hooks here, which I sometimes can't do with one hand, but once you pull it down, it kind of goes into the groove there and you snap those. And then I just want to show you one more time of it going up. Same lever, but we're pushing it down this time. And there you have it. There is also a blue leather boot in the trunk that goes over this right here and snaps very nicely, so it all looks nice and flush.
1966 Ford Mustang with a 302 automatic.
That's right. It's got a little clip-on mirror here. What is that about?
Clip-on mirror?
Yeah, it's clipped onto the original.
Oh, that's funny. That's actually a new mirror. Oh, it's got a backup camera in it or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's got a camera on it or something. Fancy.
I like this big old wooden Ford Mustang steering wheel.
Got the jams. This car drives really, really well. I like this little.
Got a good speedometer, amperage, temp, oil, fuel, and RPM gauge. Aftermarket water temp.
Right.
Brakes feel good. Yeah, that's all I need is a little bit. Thank you, brother. You don't have to go over anymore, buddy. You're all right. Feels real good.
Heck yeah.
Suspension feels good. Steering feels tight.
It's like you're driving in a new one.
It's nice.
Really nice.
It's a nice little Mustang.
Yep, nice little Mustang. Cool. Well, thank you so much, Shane. As always, we're gonna take it back to the shop, put it up on the lift, and take a look underneath. Thanks for tuning in, guys.